Here we go. CNC group break number 3078. We're going to start with the 10-11 all goalies. 12-13 series 1 and 11-12 series 2. So, let's find the hits. Yeah, that's it. There we go. All right, and the parallels are for the Toronto Maple Leafs, James Reimer. For the Tampa Bay Lightning, Cedric Desjardins. For the Lightning, Mike Smith. For the Leafs, J.S. Giguère. And for the Leafs, Jonas Gustafsson. And we've got a stopper sweaters for the Dallas Stars, Andrew Raycroft. Andrew Raycroft. Now on to the 12-13 Series 1. The Jumbo for the Philadelphia Flyers, Danny Briere. MVP for the Sharks, Logan Couture. MVP for the Ducks, Corey Perry. Base. Canvas for the Anaheim Ducks, Ryan Getzlaf. Young Guns for the Philadelphia Flyers, Brandon Manning. Hockey Heroes for the New York Islanders, Brian Trottier. Young Guns for the Columbus Blue Jackets, Sean Hunwick. Canvas for the Vancouver Canucks, Corey Schneider. Base. Silver Skates for the Boston Bruins, Bobby Orr. Young Guns for the Minnesota Wild, Tyler Kuma. And base. Right on to the 11-12 series. And the Jumbo is for the Vancouver Canucks, Roberto Luongo. Victory Rookie for the Oilers, Leonard Petrell. OBG Rookie for the Capitals, Cody Eakin. MVP for the Flyers, Sean Couturier. Young Guns for the New York Rangers, Stu Bickle. Young Guns Canvas for the Washington Capitals, Dmitry Orlov. And a Victory Rookie for the Hawks, Brandon Saad. Young Guns for the Colorado Avalanche, Brad Malone. Canvas for the Montreal Canadiens, PK Subban. And a Victory Rookie for the Islanders, Calvin DeHaan. OBG Rookie for the Flyers, Sean Couturier. Base. Young Guns for the Calgary Flames, Leland Irving. Hockey Heroes for the Boston Bruins, Bobby Orr. Victor Rookie for the Oilers, Anton Lender. We got a Rookie Materials for the Ottawa Senators, David Rundblad. Coming up next, Black Diamond and Prism.